So I would like to show a demo of a POC that tries to combine the power of the Perses and visualization on top of the observability data and large language models connected with MCP to the Prometheus database. So what we build here is a plugin that extends the Perses functionality with the LLM features, talking to the separate LLM agent and visualizing the tool calls back in the Perses UI. When you switch to the Perses interface, you can see that there is this new Explorer plugin edit, and I can ask questions about my data in Prometheus, such as like what alerts were firing on May 13th. I submit the query, the agent asks the Prometheus for this data and also shows the query and then provide a summary of that. In the query itself, we use the Perses visualization to show the outputs. We can then ask additional questions such as what bots were running in OpenShift operators namespace. Hit enter. The tool calls a list of metrics that it can choose from, and then it tries to use the right one for the query. What we can see here that it actually chosen the wrong date. As you can remember, at the beginning we asked about May 13, but it's not a big deal. We can tell use the correct date, and now it actually worked, and we can see the details of bots running in the namespace. We can also ask other questions like what was the CPU usage of those bots, and hopefully it should give us some reasonable answer. So we can see there was one for the gatekeeper operator, the other one for the lucky one. So this concludes our little demo. So what we showed here is the ability to extend Perses to actually show the tool calls as they were triggered by the LLM, and we see that the LLM itself was able to provide quite reasonable answers to the questions. The real power comes actually from being able to combine the output of the LLMs themselves with more reliable data from the visualization themselves, and we believe that it can be a great expansion of Perses as a tool itself.